this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the NPV function. The net present value function is calculated to make decision whether the project or the company should accept the investment or not. To learn the NPV function, let us consider this case study. Here in this Excel sheet, I have the investment at the $5,500, and we are expecting the cash flow of the $8,000, and we are gonna expect the cash outflow at the $5,500. So the net cash is calculated as the cash inflow plus the cash outflow would be $2,500. The interest rate or discount rate is 10%. We're going to calculate the NPV function by using the Microsoft Excel function, and we are going to use the manual calculation to make sure whether the total of the using NPV function equals the total of using the manual calculation. So we do have the zero year and the year one, and let's fill out the column up to the 5 years, and the amount, the initial amount or the initial investment would be at the zero rate, would be this amount, $5,500. From the year 1 up to the year 5, we are expecting the net cash flow of $2,500. Let's fill out this amount. So to sort down, let us use the $sign to apply the formula. This we are expecting $2,500 over 5 years. So let us calculate or apply the NPV function equal NPV. The interest rate is 10%, comma, the values would be from value 1 up to the 254 values you could apply. Here we do have 5 values, so the value ones up to the value 5, close the bracket, plus the negative amounts or the initial investment would give us this amount as net PV. So if this is at the negative, the company or the individual should reject the investment or stop the investment. Here the result is positive. We gonna continue on this project. So let us apply the using the manual calculation. Same at 0, 1 up to the year 5. Here we have the same as well, initial investment. So at the year 1, we could apply by using this amount equal to the net investment, or net cash, divided by 1 point. The interest rate is 10%, would give us this amount. In the year 2, equal to the net cash divided by 1.10%. This power to the year 2 is 2. At the year 3, equal to the net cash divided by 1.10%. Power to year 3 equal the net cash divided by 1.10%. this power to the 4 in the last year would be equal net cash divided by 1.10%, this power to the 5. So total would be equal to sum from year 1 up to the year 5, but I'm sorry, total would be equal to sum from year 1 up to the year 5 plus the initial investment would give us the same amounts. If we equal this must equal to this amount. True. That's all about the how to calculate the NPV function in Microsoft Excel. So thank you so much for watching. Please share and like the video.